it's Alicia with Texas Girl Travel, coming by request to show you how to download and install the Carnival Hub app. Now, on iOS and Android, you do want to go ahead, just search Carnival Hub, download, and open the application. Once it's open, it is going to ask you for a few permissions. You do want to turn your notifications and local network on for the application to work effectively, as well as go ahead and choose sign up if you are a new customer. Once you do the sign up process, it's going to bring you back to this screen, which is the same as enter booking information. Once you do that, and all of this will be in your email that you receive from Texas Girl Travel, from there, it's going to open the countdown page. From here, what you want to do is go ahead and hit check in, and it's going to redirect and open your actual web browser to the Carnival page. If you scroll down there, it's going to take you to your actual getting started to check in process. As you see here, we're going to go ahead and go through the process, entering address. We are going to continue with entering telephone number, entering emergency contact information, medical information, as well as your travel documents. That's your passport, birth certificate, things of that nature, and taking pictures. You will also go ahead and indicate your travel specifications for you getting to and from the cruise. After that, you will go ahead, set your arrival appointment. Always, always, always take the earliest appointment to avoid the crowds, and set up your expense account. Now, you do have the option with the expense account to set it up using a credit card, or you can set it up using a cash account. For the purposes of this video, I'm just going to go ahead and choose to create a cash account and continue on. But what happens when you choose a cash account? You have to give them cash once you get to the pier. Now, the next thing that you would do after this is go ahead and indicate your bedding preferences. I put selected king bed, and then from here, you just hit continue and go to the cruise ticketing contract. Now, you want to read all of this. I've read it all before. Probably should read it again more often, but of course, you want to make sure to know what you're agreeing to and then hit continue. On the next page, it is going to have an acceptance of COVID risk. You want to read over that also and then accept it. Here, you would then go ahead and confirm who you are accepting the terms for and who you are checking in. On this reservation, it's just me, so it is the one-person check-in with a 1 o'clock check-in time. On this page, you want to now print your boarding passes and luggage tags. I can't print my boarding pass at this time, but on this particular case, you would just click there, and then it will open this screen. If you have completed everything, you would then want to print out that luggage tag, attach it to your suitcase, and get ready to sail. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll be back soon with more content.